video, I'm gonna share with you my 6 streams of income from the couponing niche here on social media. So if you're interested in learning how you can make money in so many different ways, from posting deals about coupons and amazing deals that people can stock up on, then stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, take a second and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Every Friday, I'm gonna be posting a video in my playlist, Bet on Yourself, about social media, how to grow on social media and monetize it so you too can scale your business to a 6-figure business like I have. So let's go ahead and dive right in. My first stream of income is YouTube. You guys are watching this video. So when you hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and 4,000 watch hours, you're able to monetize your YouTube and start making money from it. Then you can start placing ads in the beginning of your video, throughout your video, and at the end of your video. You are gonna make some income from this every single month. The more views you get, of course, the more income you're gonna get from YouTube. So I started my YouTube channel back in 2019. Took me 6 months to hit the 1,000 subscriber mark and the 4,000 watch hours so I could get monetized. So I monetized in December. My first paycheck from YouTube was $551, which absolutely blew my mind. Now today I make anywhere from $20,000 to $25,000 from YouTube per year from posting videos, showing deals, and doing something I absolutely love. So YouTube is a really, really good stream of income that you can do on social media regardless of what niche you're posting on. Number 2 is reselling my stockpile. So I have been reselling my stockpile now for about 2, maybe 3 years. I resell on Facebook Marketplace. That's the easiest that I have found. So you can also resell on Let Go, Offer Up. You can do yard sales. I've done garage sales, same thing. A bunch of different avenues to resell my stockpile. Couple different benefits of this. I don't want to have a huge stockpile. I have one small walk-in closet. The door is actually behind this one right there. That's where I keep my stockpile. And I keep a small little shed in the garage with all my laundry products. That's it. I don't want to have a huge stockpile and take up a ton of space in my house. So it helps me to save space by reselling it. I also make some income from reselling it, and the people who are buying from me are able to save money versus going to Walmart and paying full price, because I'm selling my products for 20, 30, 40, 50% off of retail prices. So for me, it's a win-win all the way around. And yes, you do have to pay taxes on any kind of income. So before I get that comment, I wanna go ahead and answer that for you guys. Number 3 is going to be referral codes and rebate apps. We use a ton of rebate apps to get cash back and help us save money. To name a few, we use Ibotta, Shopkick, Swagbucks, Rakuten, Top Cashback. There's a ton of different rebate apps that I use personally. So when I share different deals and I share my referral codes, the person who signs up with my referral code usually gets an amazing bonus for using the app and trying it out. And I too get a bonus for them using my referral code and me referring them to using the app. So again, it's a win-win. So each rebate app has a different referral program. Ibotta gives you $10 and gives me $10 when you sign up. Swagbucks, on the other hand, gives you 10% for a lifetime of the Swagbucks that the person who signs up under you gets. So as you can see, I'm just constantly every single day earning income from Swagbucks from all of my referrals that I've racked up over the last 4 years. That just comes in day after day after day. So it's pretty much passive income. Yes, I'm still talking about Swagbucks because I use that app all the time, but people could have signed up under me 3 years ago and I'm still able to make a little bit of money from that, which is incredible. So if you're in the couponing niche, I definitely recommend figuring out all the apps that you use, going on the app, finding your referral code, and putting that in your YouTube video description box, putting that in the Linktree links in your Instagram, your TikTok. That way your audience can use them and find them easily so you can start getting some referral income. If you're excited about any of these income streams and developing them more for yourself, make sure you take a second and smash that like button for me. Now let's get into number 4. Similar to number 3, affiliate marketing. Referral codes somewhat falls into the category of affiliate marketing, but I wanted to differentiate it as a separate form of income because it's a little different. So what I do is refer people in my audience, my friends, my family, if they want to buy coupons, they want to buy inserts. There's a few websites that I work with personally that I buy coupons and inserts from, and I'm set up with them as an affiliate. So when somebody purchases from their website, I get a small commission. I get paid once a month all of the commission that I earned from previous months. Another affiliate program I am part of is Amazon. Amazon is a huge affiliate program. Now, I don't make a ton from Amazon because I don't really do a lot of like promo codes for Amazon and things like that. If I find an amazing deal or some of the products that I use, the products in my office, anytime I'm going somewhere and traveling and I'm buying some things from Amazon, I link it in my storefront, and I have my Amazon storefront in the description box of all of my YouTube videos, as well as in the links on my Instagram. So that's very important. Anytime you are an affiliate or there's referral codes, you want to make those links as accessible to others as possible so they can easily find them and use them. Now, stream number 5 is moneymaker deals. Sometimes when I go to the store, I may use a gift card from Fetch Rewards to pay for my out-of-pocket cost at CVS, for example, but then maybe I'm getting $5 cash back from Ibotta and $2 cash back from the Coupons app. Well, for that deal or that entire haul, I wound up making $7. That would be a $7 cash moneymaker. That's another small way that you can make money every single month. Of course, I'm always trying to find the moneymaker deals to help share with you guys and for myself to take advantage of to help me with my budget as well. The more money I'm making from moneymaker deals, the less overall I'm spending on all of my coupon hauls, all my household products, and my personal care products. So you always want to make sure that you are checking those rebate apps, figuring out ways to arrange your transactions to really keep your out-of-pocket costs low. That way you too can enjoy a ton of moneymaker deals. And number 6, my last income stream is from teaching. I used to offer coupon classes like this. I had a beginner coupon class and an advanced coupon class. Then I switched into doing a 3-day couponing workshop. Now I have my signature program, Journey to Savings. So I combined all of my previous classes into one mega course. So that way people can learn how to budget. They can learn how to coupon the right way at CVS and how to coupon the right way at Walgreens, how to arrange their transactions and keep their out-of-pocket cost to $50 or less every single month. So selling different programs, I also do one-on-one coaching. I also offer programs for helping people learn how to make money and monetize their social media. So if you are interested in growing more streams of income on social media, growing your audience organically like I have, I invite you to book a free call with me. That'll be linked below for you in the description box. So offering classes and courses online can also help you reach such a broader audience. Back in the day, people used to do classes at like local libraries and stuff, but then COVID hit and that kind of killed that. So a lot of people took to online, of course, to be able to share their knowledge and be able to teach more people. Now, instead of only being able to teach people in your vicinity, you can now use your knowledge and help people all over the US and even all over the world, depending on what your niche is. So offering classes and courses could be another really great way to help 10 times the amount of people with whatever you're good at and whatever your niche is about. If you guys have any questions or anything, of course, always let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments what income stream is your favorite and one that you really want to focus on this year. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Wait,